Hello everybody, welcome to our New York Open Juice session. So right now, as I projected, that we will see a bullishness from the dollar side. Successfully, we are taking this high. We didn't see a lot of volume, a breakout volume on the news about our non-farm employment change. So right now, as we expected to see, the dollar sentiment is bullish as projected, and our targets will be right now this high. And what about fiber and cable? So as I checked, as we outlined before, we will watch bearishness from the fiber side. Actually, I had a trade, the same trade on the 15-minute order block, but I closed it on my live account due to uncertainty on the price regarding the news of ADP, non-farm employment change. So as you can see, if I was holding this trade over the period to possibly go to make a profit. Right now I am not closing this trade on demo account, so check how the watch will work. About cable, a little bit unexpected setup for me to see. Well, I have expected for cable to close this fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame. Cable did not get the job done and then reverse and going lower. So right now, also as I tried to outline in one session, if we make a swing right now here, expect with expectancy that it will be a bullish day, so we'll probably we will just a minute with me. Probably we will close or make a reversal at a premium market zone. So right now, cable is going to clean these walls, and also the candle event on a 4-hour basis. Let me show it here. Right here. It's candle event right here. Yes. About other pairs, KD. Well, about KD, it successfully purged the buy side liquidity, and right now we in 7 minutes have news about, just a sec, let me check it, ISM non-manufacturing PMI. So KD after run buy stops probably go lower, and also we expect to see the bearishness on the CAD side regarding the crude oil ventures news. About other pairs or other markets, crude and Brent, already we hit our determined level, so we can check that a lot of open flow liquidity are gathered right there. Right now so it's our deviation point on the VTI. What I expect to see right now, that we will break market structure, and then I will possibly take this trade with the reflection on the block and stop right here. S&P, US 500. Probably I would like to see S&P going to, before purging this buy side liquidity, I would probably see the S&P 500 going to close this low resistance liquidity void, and then we'll check the reflection from this order block. Our zone to watch and we'll be right there. So we focus on this zone primarily. We do not like the price going under mean threshold of this order block. Yeah. 5 minutes before high impact news release on USD. As expected. Also about this buy stops area, it will be logical to assume that we might go about 10-20 pips. Let me change the color. About 10 to 20 pips. That's how the IPDA works. Let me go to lower time frame. Probably 20 pips. Clean this wall right here. Also, I had a trade in mind about 1 hour order block. I watched closely on this order block. I did not take this trade actually because we have a clean equal highs or clean highs on 1 hour chart. That's we call buy stops or buy side liquidity. So effectiveness of this order block can be a little bit diluted, and the idea can be a little bit vague. Let's check other markets. Fiber have a clean structure, higher lower high, or lower low, have a clean market structure. So the all order blocks are playing the future resistance role for the price going higher. Right now we jumped into our big figure level 1.1. Let's go to a 15-minute time frame, checking for this order block right here, approximately 1.089, approximately there. Also, I would like to see for price to close this little gap. Change the color of this rectangle. Shit. Yes. Price probably will go to this zone. Just sorry for that. And we're going lower. About 16 pips. 2 minutes before release. Just a minute. One minute before the release. Check our pairs. Probably want to see downside for the KD and the bearishness. Let's watch the price. Downside for KD. Probably there is the room to work on this side, on this backup for dollar index. If price come back to this order block on the 1 hour candle, it will be great to see. Dollar index is a 10K right now. Cable. The consolidation before the actual move. Sustainable big figure. 1.19600. Yeah. USG. Actually, nothing exposed from the market right now. Very close to the take profit zone. USJ, nothing extra, nothing extra. Kiwi. Cable going strongly to this level. Alright. Nothing extra happened or extra interest to see. Also I will back at approximately 5:30 for a recap on KD. And right now, still expected a bearishness on KD, and also regarding with the news about our crude oil inventories. Not so volatile Wednesday as I expected to see. Fiber is closing, it's kind of close to my take profit. Alright guys, so I'm back in 30 minutes, I'm sorry. Have a good luck and a good trading.